This trick will allow you to joint on the table saw using CA glue, masking tape, and a straight edge. I want to joint this edge of the board, so I'll attach the straight edge to the opposing side. And I'll also use a square to make sure it's lined up. I want the straight edge to hang over the edge of my board because the straight edge is what's going to go against the fence. So I'll place it over the edge and use this carpenter square to make sure that it's perpendicular. Draw a line. Now I need to get this stuck onto this board. One way to do that is double-sided tape, or you can use the CA glue trick, which I love, where you apply masking tape to both pieces, and then you stick the two pieces together using CA glue. Starbond was nice enough to send me a sample pack of all their different CA glues, and I really like the medium CA glue for doing this. If you want to get some, there's a link in the description with a coupon code so you can save some money. First, I'll put the medium CA glue on the board. Just put dots all over the place. Then I'll spray my straight edge with activator and place it on the other piece, making sure to line it up with my pencil line. And then I'll hold it down. With this spray activator, the CA glue dries almost immediately. Now it's very secure. Make sure it's on there strong because you don't want it to move. Place the straight edge against the fence. And make your cut. Make sure to keep the straight edge against the fence the whole time so you get a straight cut. And then the straight edge should peel right off. The masking tape comes off because it's not very strong, but there's a lot of surface area, so it holds really well. And that is a lot easier to remove than two-sided tape. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.